Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping and beginning the melt so you get control immediately. Combine measured white chocolate wax with your chosen carrier at a 1:1 ratio if you want firm bars. Adjust later for softer texture. Once ready, place chopped wax in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Make sure steam doesn't touch the bowl. Stir slowly and consistently to disperse heat. This prevents graininess and preserves shine. You'll see it change to a glossy liquid. Now you're ready for the next stage. Once done melting, reduce heat and focus on texture refinement so the wax behaves predictably. You want the mixture around 40–45 degrees C before adding delicate flavorings or emulsifiers. This temperature prevents separation and preserves aroma. Make sure to whisk gently in one direction to eliminate streaks and air pockets, then scrape the sides to incorporate unmelted bits. If you need thinner viscosity, add small carrier increments. If thicker, cool briefly and remix. This step you finish by pouring and setting to achieve a clean release and good gloss. Pour slowly into prepared molds and tap firmly to eliminate trapped air. Then let pieces cool undisturbed at roughly 18–20 degrees C for consistent crystallization. Once firm, demold carefully, and if necessary, warm surfaces briefly to smooth imperfections. If things go wrong, graininess or separation, reheat gently in a double boiler. Whisk until homogeneous and add 1–2% lecithin. This corrects emulsification and rescues the bat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.